Hey guys, it has been a while. I don't want to talk about it. Just it's been a minute. Anyways, I wanted to pop on here and do two videos actually. These will be going up back to back, same yellow shirt, all that fun stuff. So if you are new, I know I have a few new subscribers, which thank you for holding me down, even though I'm not filming right now, or I'm getting back into filming, but you found my channel anyways. I really appreciate it. Today, we are going to do another Ulta haul. I say another because that was one of my last videos, but it's all good. If you're anything like me, or you film videos or like hauls of any sort, or you just buy something and you want to get on the internet and talk about it, you will oftentimes, if you're not doing a product review, not use the product until you review it. So I have a bunch of stuff that I have not been using and I'd like to use it. So I'm going to film this in a massive ColourPop video. So I don't know which one's going up first, but hopefully you stick around and watch both of them. Let's get into this Ulta haul. So thing number one, I made 2 trips. This bag is kind of heavy, but it's also kind of a lie because the heavy thing is Epsom salt. So I was doing them nightly. Now I'm gonna do them 5 times a week because nightly is a commitment, y'all. Hopefully you've also seen one of my vlogs by now. I am gonna start vlogging. I talk about building habits and just going throughout that journey. One of my habits is to do a salt bath. So this is like packed in here pretty good. It's not open or anything, but it feels like it's dried out. Anywho, other things I got in this container. Oh yeah. You know when you buy stuff and you forget about it? That's me right now, that's me. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side. I got a couple more things this time when I went back. This is all shaken up. It needs to resettle. This is the Mario Badescu drying lotion. And I know some people have issues with this and the brand and all that, just based on transparency around ingredients and things like that, but this little mama works and it's way cheaper than the Kate Somerville one. So I'm gonna start using this when I thought I had my bra on. I don't. I was gonna pull out my bra strap. Anyways, that's just like the little thing of a jig. This thing. It's cheaper than the Kate Somerville one, and I've never tried the Kate Somerville one, but I have tried this and I really like it. So it's starting to settle again, but it's been like sitting sideways in the bag. So I'm gonna let that settle, put it in my skincare area in my bathroom. These I picked up. I'm looking for a maroon color eyeliner. I think I can get away with the massive ColourPop haul that I did though. The color isn't maroon, but I think I have some eyeshadows that if I just finesse my makeup skills that I have, I can make it work. Anywho, these are eyeliners, and one is brown. Heyo. This is the shade 401 brown. This one is gray, which I think is interesting. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm just gonna do it live. We're gonna do some swatches. Get into it. All right. I feel like I can't return it now. Like, damn. All right. So for reference, let me open both before I do what I'm about to do. So also gonna read you some marketing. It says, for flawless clean lines, this as precise as 0.4 millimeters, I know English, L'Oreal Paris presents the super slim infallible eyeliner. This ultra felt pen gives total control, delivering the perfect amount of liner. The intense quick dry for up to 12-hour formula glides on smoothly with continuous and even flow, and one easy stroke create a sleek and sophisticated eye design. Skip proof, drag proof, smudge proof, ophthalmologist tested. So let's get into this little mama. I'm going to, on my hand, show you guys black eyeliner just for comparison. I have a couple of I just busted my nail polish. I have a couple of black eyeliners, so I really like the packaging. And it's got like a little grip for your hand. All right, they thought this through. So I have been using this eyeliner. It's called Swing Black Liquid Eyeliner by The Balm. I'm just gonna finesse a line on there. This is a chunkier line. I kind of did the tip at an angle. So that's drying. We're gonna go in with gray next to it. So that's the felt tip. Let's see if I can do this. that's like gray. Okay. So I'll show you guys what it looks like with just the regular felt tip. All right, so that's pretty dang slim. I might go back and get some more of these because I need blue and I really want maroon, but I didn't have it. And then this is brown. Again, I'm gonna smudge it. That is such a bad swatch. And then even that wasn't that thin. There we go. Thin. That's like, sorry, I was gonna say gray and sick at the same time. That gray is sick. The brown kind of looks like the black. So, okay, so the brown looks like a light black, which is what I was kind of, I don't hate this, but I think on me, it's just gonna look like a dull brown. So I'm gonna need to buy something that's a little bit more brown. For comparison, let's see. I have these gel eyeliners, but cream is just so much easier. Let me get a brush so I can show you guys. All right, let me color switch this. All right, the product is off. So this is by La Creme, I think it's called. So for comparison, that's a little bit dustier. Let me put some more on. That was a really bad swatch. Again, these are terrible swatches. I'm not good at this. Hey, haven't filmed in a while. So that's a little bit more brown. If I were to put it on the eye, it would look like that. So it's just a little bit lighter. I want a brown that's like, bam, brown. But I could layer a brown eyeshadow on top of it, so it's fine. It shall do. So yeah, these are the eyeliners. I also, not a fan of this brand, but it's the type of type of brush I needed. This is a Morphe M165. I looked at it and then tried to memorize the numbers. It's too early for that. It's like 5 something in the morning. Anyhow. I've had like 2 sips of coffee. My coffee is there. Sure, there. So I wanted to use this to particularly go under my eye, like right here. Right in that little area. And the only other brush I have like this I use for brows, and this is a Kat Von D 70 brush I use for brows, so I can't use that one. So yeah. So that was trick number 1. Trick number 2. Oh yeah, this is the packaging. Okay, so this is the L'Oreal Unbelievable. This kind of makes me laugh. So here's the package. It says 93% agreed has good wear. All right, sweetheart. 82% agrees it resists the workout. I don't wear makeup to the gym. I do like the idea of having my brows though for the gym, but I sweat and I just like wipe everything off. So I don't want to like stain their towels, but I've been doing gel nail polish recently. Let me know in the comments. I've been using the Sensation Nail Kit. It looks, oh come on, open, don't embarrass me. This is a Sensation Nail Kit. I got this off of Amazon. So if you want to see how to do gel nails using this kit, I have a ton of colors. Let me know and I will do a video for you guys. I picked up, these are on sale, and I figured as long as I have the primer, the base, and the top coat, I could probably honestly just use whatever colors I wanted. So I'm gonna try these Sally Hansen ones. This is the one that I want to use today. When I took my gel polish off last week, I think I had too many coats on, 1. I don't think I let it sit in acetone enough, 2, but I think I buffed too hard, 3. So basically, these are dry. The cream one is not dry. It's kind of transferring a little tiny bit, not really, right here it transferred. But the other ones are dry. Anyways, my nails are like seriously effed up. They're just effed up. So I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna do this one first. I also got off of Amazon. Yeah. Sugar, come on. All right, I also picked up this, supposed to help with gel nail polish, like to help it just kind of crack off, not pop, but like crack off. So I'm gonna try this on my toes at some point. All right, other things I got. These have been used. These are the tools that I use to file my nails down. So these are by Flower Power. I think they're like $1 each. This might have been $2 for a 2-pack. And then the L'Oreal Brow product comes like this. So you get a little spoolie and you get a little brush, and then the brow, this color actually works for me. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows just so I can show y'all the situation. So I just go on the tip like this, not too much, and then I'm gonna look at myself, but so you guys can see, I start in the middle of my brow just to fill it in, because that brow, the one I'm working on, this brow needs some help. So I don't like do brush strokes or anything. I just fill it in because I don't really care. I like my brows to look like I have on brows, but I don't really care about brows. I'm not one of those girls. One of those gals that like really gives a shit about their brows. All right. Hopefully you guys can see. So yeah, sounds good to me. This, I wanted something that I didn't have to like worry about coming off. And apparently this is, I mean, it says it is like, can resist a workout. So I'm not gonna set it or anything. But yeah, so that's what that is. And then I also picked up some witch hazel. I am tempted to return this. It's a facial toner in cucumber. I have the Aesop Bitter Astringent cucumber, not cucumber, bitter orange astringent toner. I am gonna do an Aesop haul. Let me know, have you guys ever tried skincare from Aesop? Because it has completely gotten my face together. It's kind of expensive, but it's kind of worth investing in, like, not gonna lie. Especially if you're used to shopping at Sephora, it like is what I would think is a good next step in your skincare routine to like take your products up a notch. So this is the witch hazel toner, and there's nothing wrong with shopping in Sephora. With the compulsive shopping habits that I am working on via bipolar disorder, that place is too triggering for me, so I try not to go in there anymore. I think that's it. I think that's the whole haul. So keep it short, sweet, and simple. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Yeah, let me know. I'll post on Instagram what my nails look like. I'm also, you guys should check out my post with the emoji. Like, the little girl is just like, I don't really know. That's the emoji I use. It's a white background with an emoji. I just talk about, like, I want Instagram to be fun again, so I will post a picture of this. For those of you that don't know, I got into life coaching. I don't really know what that means for my business as I am transforming as a person. I want my business to reflect that, and I want Instagram to be fun. So content on this channel is going to be including some coaching content, beauty, of course. I'll do some eye looks, talk about skincare. I also want to do vlogging and some coaching moments. I really just want to be a whole person, and a lot of the time on the internet you have to like pick a lane and stick with it. And I get some people are really successful and they probably have other outlets for the other sides of their personality, but I'm like an all or nothing person. Hello, mood swings. Used to living that way, working on finding a center, but I want to just show more of myself, not to just like be out here on the internet. But because I feel like if I am gonna be on the internet, I want to do it in a way that's comfortable to me. So yeah, that is the haul, you guys. Thank you for stopping on in. I appreciate it. If you're new, again, thanks for checking me out. If you're not new, I have to do it. Hey, what's up? What's good? Thank you for coming on back. I've been doing this dance for well over a year now, so it's staying. All right, guys, take care, and I'll talk to you guys later.